know what I couldn't understand is that I didn't have a heart because you ripped it out. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter that I'm lost. It never mattered much to me that we were meant to be. All the love I had died, left me feeling half alive. Relive my life in every memory. All I ever thought I wanted was for me to be free. Sometimes the darkest battles are the ones we fight alone. Keep writing you this text, delete it, staring at my phone. Down the line, we will look back and find that we had it all but just lost our minds. Did we want clarity or did we want make-believe? I guess in the end it never mattered much to me. In 100 lifetimes, in any reality, I'd still find to choose you because your soul is bound to me. I pleaded with the angel to rid me of the pain and what it cost. I don't have a choice because without you I am lost.